Burdock, scientifically known as Arctium lappa, is a biennial plant. It belongs to the Asteraceae family. This family includes daisies and sunflowers. Burdock is recognized by its large heart-shaped leaves. It produces prickly flower heads, commonly called burs. These burs readily attach to clothing and animal fur. This characteristic has inspired inventions like Velcro. Burdock is native to Europe and Asia. It has naturalized in North America. It thrives in neglected areas, roadsides and fields. Burdock has been valued for centuries. Its roots, leaves and seeds are used for culinary and medicinal purposes. Today, burdock is experiencing a resurgence. People are rediscovering its potential health benefits. Burdock's history is intertwined with human civilization. It has traveled across continents. It has been integrated into traditional medicine systems. It has even inspired folklore and legends. This essay delves into the world of burdock. It explores its remarkable properties and how to cultivate, harvest, and use this versatile plant. Burdock is a nutritional powerhouse. It is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The root in particular is a rich source of dietary fiber. It also contains inulin, a prebiotic fiber. Inulin promotes digestive health by fostering the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Burdock is a good source of essential minerals. These include potassium, magnesium, and calcium. These minerals are crucial for maintaining electrolyte balance. They also support muscle function and bone health. Additionally, burdock contains iron, which is vital for oxygen transport in the blood. The plant also boasts an array of antioxidants. These include phenolic acids, quercetin, and luteolin. Antioxidants protect the body against free radical damage. Free radicals are unstable molecules. They can contribute to chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Burdock's antioxidant properties make it a valuable addition to a healthy diet. Growing burdock in your backyard is a rewarding experience. It's a hardy plant that thrives in a variety of conditions. Burdock prefers loose, well-drained soil. It tolerates partial shade but grows best in full sun. Sow seeds directly in the garden after the last frost. Space them about 12 inches apart. Water the seedlings regularly. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Burdock has a long taproot. This makes it drought-tolerant once established. Weed the area around the plants to prevent competition for nutrients. Burdock is a biennial plant. This means it takes 2 years to complete its life cycle. In the first year, it develops a rosette of large leaves. In the second year, it produces flowering stalks and seeds. Harvest the roots in the fall of the first year. You can harvest the leaves throughout the growing season. Harvesting burdock requires a bit of effort. It is well worth it for the fresh, homegrown bounty. To harvest the roots, wait until after the first frost. The cold temperatures enhance the flavor of the roots. Use a garden fork to loosen the soil around the plant. Carefully lift the roots out of the ground, being careful not to break them. Wash the roots thoroughly to remove any dirt or debris. You can use the roots fresh or store them in a cool, dry place. To harvest the leaves, simply cut them from the plant as needed. The leaves are best used fresh, but can be dried for later use. When harvesting burdock, it's essential to wear gloves. The plant has tiny hairs that can irritate the skin. Avoid harvesting burdock from areas that have been treated with pesticides or herbicides. Choose plants that look healthy and vigorous. Leave some plants to reseed themselves for next year's harvest. Burdock is a versatile ingredient. It adds a unique flavor and texture to various dishes. The roots have a slightly sweet, earthy flavor. They can be eaten raw, roasted, sautéed, or pickled. In Japanese cuisine, burdock root, known as gobo, is a popular ingredient. It is used in stir-fries, soups, and sushi. Burdock leaves, while slightly bitter, can be cooked like spinach or collard greens. They can also be added to salads or used as a wrap for other ingredients. Burdock stalks, peeled and cooked, offer a crunchy texture. They can be enjoyed as a side dish or added to soups and stews. When preparing burdock, it's important to wash it thoroughly. Remove any dirt or debris before cooking. The outer layer of the root is fibrous and can be peeled away. Don't be afraid to experiment with different cooking methods. Discover your favorite ways to incorporate burdock into your culinary repertoire. Traditional remedies. Burdock in folk medicine. Burdock has a long history of use in traditional medicine systems. It has been used for centuries to address a variety of ailments. In traditional Chinese medicine, burdock is known as nubangzi. It is believed to have cooling and detoxifying properties. It is often used to treat skin conditions such as eczema and acne. In Western herbalism, burdock is valued as a blood purifier and diuretic. It is thought to support liver and kidney function. It may also help to promote healthy digestion. Burdock root contains compounds that may have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. While scientific research on burdock's medicinal benefits is ongoing, anecdotal evidence suggests that it may offer potential health benefits. However, it's important to note that burdock is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare provider before using burdock for medicinal purposes. Burdock root tea, a detoxifying elixir. Burdock root tea is a popular beverage. It is enjoyed for its earthy flavor and potential health benefits. To make burdock root tea, simply simmer 1 teaspoon of dried burdock root in 1 cup of water for 15 to 20 minutes. Strain the tea before drinking. You can add honey, lemon or ginger to taste. Burdock root tea is believed to have diuretic properties. This means it can help to flush out excess water weight. It may also support kidney function by promoting the elimination of waste products. The tea's potential detoxifying effects may help to improve skin health and reduce bloating. While burdock root tea is generally safe for consumption, it's essential to drink it in moderation. Excessive consumption may lead to digestive upset or electrolyte imbalance. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should consult with their healthcare provider before drinking burdock root tea. A global heritage, burdock across cultures. Burdock's influence extends beyond its culinary and medicinal uses. It has also woven its way into the cultural tapestry of different societies. In Japan, for instance, burdock is associated with good fortune and prosperity. The plant's prickly burs are believed to ward off evil spirits. In Europe, burdock has been linked to folklore and superstition. Some believe that hanging burdock over doorways can protect against witchcraft. Others associate the plant with healing and protection. Burdock's cultural significance highlights its enduring appeal. It serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness between nature and human experience. From traditional remedies to culinary delights, burdock continues to captivate and inspire. Its story is a testament to the enduring power of plants. Conclusion. Embrace the power of burdock. Burdock, a humble plant with extraordinary properties, deserves a prominent place in our lives. Its nutritional value, culinary versatility, and medicinal potential make it a true gift from nature. By incorporating burdock into our diets and health routines, we can harness its remarkable benefits. Whether we're savoring the earthy flavor of burdock root in a stir-fry or sipping a soothing cup of burdock root tea, let us appreciate the legacy of this ancient plant. As we cultivate, harvest, and consume burdock, we connect with a long lineage of people who have recognized its value. Let us embrace the power of burdock. Let us continue to explore its potential to enhance our well-being and enrich our lives.